last Thursday.
That heard us last week, Manoj. I had heard of last week, Manoj. I had handed over this chart, Manoj, where
The state of Orissa matter with regard to the appointment to assistant RTO.
Finish all fresh matters?
Yes. Milords, at the outset, Milords, while rising, had put a question to our side, Milords, that since Rajkumar is not considered by the Honorable High Court, whether we would take the chance of going back. Milords, our humble request is this, Milords, that we would not like to go back.
First thing, anything.
That's right, Milords. That's the view, Milords.
Express our mind.
Yes, Milords.
So that you are put on.
Yes, Milords, I am.
If you want to place reliance on, or if you want to distinguish that,
please, Milords.
Free to do it.
Please, Milords.
So wanted to know.
Yes, Milords. And I take it, Milords, have also expressed a prima facie view that Milords are prima facie against the view that we are canvassing, Milords. Milords had expressed it. That's right, Milords. Now, Milords, this matter, Milords, relates to appointment to the post of assistant RTO. Milords, seen the facts on the last occasion, I'm not bothering Milords with the facts. But broadly, the facts are this, Milords. In 1981, Milords, there was a circular or an instruction.
Mr. Pati, just 1 minute.
Yes, I'm so sorry, Milords.
We'll just try to find out whether there is any other urgent matter or not.
I'm so sorry, Milords. I'll wait.
We did not know when we fixed this matter today.
There will be miscellaneous, perhaps.
Miscellaneous week.
Perhaps.
So,
Milords, we'll wait as well. As Milords.
Just wait. We'll
yes,
just run through the list.
Yes, Milords. Yes.
If there is any interim order to be extended, we'll wait.
Very well, Milords.
Just wait for some time.
We'll wait.
Yes. 36. Is there any interim order to be extended? We list in January. What shall I? Let people know. Achha, this was after fresh matters, no? That's right. 29 say.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, the after matter, Your Lordship, it will require some time for hearing, but in the meantime, I am praying for bail, Your Lordships. Already undergone 5 years.
Yeah, just 1 minute. 29. That minor girl.
No, Your Lordship, this is my
376D, my
Your Lordships are really collecting that case because of the Hindi statement.
But there's a clear-cut statement of the prosecutrix.
Let us just see what is the order we have passed. Concurrent findings, conviction. And release him on interim bail.
Well, it's
At the time of admission, my note says conviction doubtful. So therefore he is entitled.
But there is a clear statement of the prosecutrix.
We consider, because of the trial court, the requisitions of copies to be provided to the parties during the pendency of the appeal, the appellant shall be released on interim bail subject to such terms and conditions to be imposed by the trial court.
Gratefully obliged.
Please, Manoj.
Mr. Dr. Chopra, 29.1, who is that?
Lordship, same judgment.
Same judgment.
Same trial, same FIR.
Very good.
31, my lord, is the case of
31 is
the case of a whistleblower in the CRPF who blew the whistle regarding the prevalence of this Sahayak system.
We'll take it up in January.
So in the meantime, Lord, they have dismissed him from service by holding a sham inquiry by the same battalion. He had been saying that, look, my complaint is against this battalion. Please transfer me out of this battalion.
What was the relief claimed in the writ petition?
Relief originally claimed was firstly an inquiry into this prevalence of this same system which had been abolished by the government.
By the time this matter has come up, you have now been dismissed.
Yes, so I want to amend the prayer.
Order.
Yes.
That cannot be done in this writ petition. You have to file a fresh.
No, Lord, because this is list
We
matter.
do not know what inquiries have been conducted or not. You have to
we,
put it on record.
We have put everything on record. I just want to amend the prayer so that prayer is also.
So therefore, this writ petition, which was a public interest litigation,
it was quasi-public interest because one other
why
prayer.
don't you file a fresh writ?
I can.
File file a fresh statement.
All
Put
right.
it together.
All right.
We are keeping it in January. In the meantime,
Yes, yes.
file your fresh statement. Make a mention.
I will.
Take it together.
I am obliged.
January. 32 January.
May please, my lords, 32 I appear, my lords. Lordships will put it kindly in the second week of January if it's possible, my lords.
Let it
On
be
a Tuesday.
first week, not.
Very well. First week of February, Mr. Sharma.
Very well, my lords.
Week of February. Right.
My lords, it's been
33.
My lord, by
May I please, my lord?
my lord,
Is against NCDRC.
yes, my
Yes, my
lord.
lord, it's an appeal
But
against.
the mediation is, what is the result of mediation?
My lord, the mediation had failed and
Has failed.
yes, my lord, and by order dated 13 September, my lord had asked both the parties to conduct a joint inspection
Ah.
and thereafter file a report, my lord. My lord, we had contacted, the inspection was conducted on 17th of September. Thereafter, we had approached the respondents for a copy of their report to file a joint report. However, it was not provided. But the appellants have filed their compliance affidavit yesterday, my lord.
My lord, identical submission, lord. We have been going for to and fro because direction was to file the joint inspection report.
What
So,
about, the report has been placed on
They
record?
have not shared their
My
report.
lord, we
Our
filed
report,
ours.
they have filed it separately. Our report is also prepared, my lord. We
It's
have
a
filed it.
joint report of the architects.
Yes,
For
my lord.
architects to be appointed by two parties,
Yes,
Yes,
my
my
lord.
but the report should be a joint report.
Yes, my
Has
lord.
that joint report come?
No, my
No, my
lord.
lord. My lord, we were-
Only their side has come.
My lord, we've been approaching the respondents. There are several email communication. We've said where please share your observations so we can make a joint report. However,
Instead of
it
sharing,
was
because
not.
we are in the process of also preparing our report. So instead of sharing with
Please
us,
say that you comply with this order.
deeply, my lord,
Parties
we'll
shall
comply.
comply with the order.
My lord, that the respondent comply.
25, with regard to filing of
My lord,
a
there is-
joint report before this court. We hope and trust that the parties shall cooperate with
My-
each other and not delay such filing.
My lord, the appellants have already filed their report. The respondents
My
will
lord,
share their
my lord,
observations.
there is one more contempt that they have filed. If my lord may take up that also.
Don't go for contempt now. We are trying to get the matter settled. You want contempt.
I'm lodging.
That
Lordship.
letter, agenda as
Please.
per letter.
Oblige, lordship.
36, 36, February. That appears February.
Lords, we have circulated a letter for respondent 6 and 7 seeking time to file counter 4 weeks for
Which matter?
my lords.
37,
37 and 37.1.
but we don't have any letter.
We also don't have any
It has
letters.
been circulated on 14th of December, my lords. I have the
I came prepared, my lord.
Anyway, let them file their counter.
No, everything is filed. I don't know.
In the connected matter.
Connected matter.
37.1.
37.1
Madam seeks on
For
behalf of so
R6 and R7.
Malad, the state also.
by 23rd, rejoinder by 30th, released in the week commencing next February.
Malad, the state also would like to file the count.
When the state is also granted similar liberty. 38,
Obliged.
Grateful.
38 is that,
Please, Lord.
38 is that Bombay property.
There's a letter in this.
January.
There's a letter.
39, there is a letter. 38 we have kept in January, Mr. Roth.
I had their suggestions, subject what lordship said. The tenant, whatever he has, he may vacate. Whatever the government department is there, we'll deal with them later. But the one who is a tenant has no right, his time is expiring on 31st December. He has moved an IE, for extension, for no reason.
But solicitor was appearing, right?
He was.
He is on his legs.
Lordship may keep it Friday,
Very good, Friday,
Keep it Friday, I'll tell the solicitor.
Friday.
40, my lord.
40 is matter.
My lord, this is that matter which was service matter, my lord. I think we have a,
12 o'clock today.
but we have a brigade, I think, my lord. I find I have with me 2 or 3 colleagues who also
We are discussing between ourselves that, our entire plan has gone haywire. Because
miscellaneous.
this week being declared a miscellaneous.
Yes, that's it.
I had a suggestion, Manoj. Could we give you a convenience comparison? We find there are so many of us.
You are most welcome, Mr. Gopal, but when do we keep it?
When do we keep it? That is the question.
Because we have heard it in part. Now from January, if there is a change of combination, when to assemble again?
But I think your lordships had just heard Mr. Singhvi for a short time. That
No, for 3
yeah.
hours. 3
Ah,
hours.
Dr. Singh, sorry,
That's
I'm
not-
so sorry.
That's what.
Both are Dr. Singh. So you will have to say the first name. Manish and
Shall we say the elder and the younger man?
tell us, if you want it to be kept as parted, we have no problem, but in that case, we are very uncertain when we can assemble.
May I-
Mr. Sundram, you know that 15th,
We have,
bank,
with great difficulty, 2 of my matches. With great
after
difficulty.
when we will be able, we do not know, and if you want that, it should be.
May I make a suggestion to my lord?
Part what we
Just 1 minute.
Even today.
May I make a suggestion to my lord?
Even today, lordship, we can take a chance. 35 lordship, we don't know how much, it may end.
It
early.
would end.
We have another 60 for tomorrow. It's very easy for you to say from the other side that you can go ahead today. Of course, we could have gone ahead today if tomorrow was on.
I understand.
May I make a suggestion, my lord? May I make a suggestion? Would your lordship slate this for the week of 22nd January? If my lords are not sitting together or any other reason, then your lordships will decide whether to departure it. That's all, my lord.
22nd January,
Or any date convenient, my lord.
January, we'll keep it in February.
My lords, please, any date convenient.
Mills, may I also make this request, Mills? Mills, may I give, may I make?
Yes, Mr. Sharma. एवर फरवरी वाला देखो ना फर्स्ट वीक में बहुत सी शायद तो नहीं हाँ तो 4th February 2 o'clock subject to obtaining order from the chief justice.
Please, my lord.
Mills, would your lordship also consider this, Mills? When it starts, Mills, give us 10 minutes to show 2 judgments, which we are squarely covered. 2 minutes, instead of showing Indra Sani, etc., etc. 2 judgments will squarely cover the issue. Let them answer that, Mills. If they answer that, then they can take 2 hours.
There are severe time constraints. If you know, if they show 2 judgments which they say,
Let them respond.
share the citation.
Of course, they have in their compilation, they're there.
And I'll deal with it myself when
Can I make a?
I'll deal with them.
This is one, Mills. The other is, in the interregnum, let the state, Mills, we are told there's still more than 10,000 Mills vacancies. There are 10,000 and Mills, we are successful in the High Court, of course, but all of them can also be adjusted. The state may consider this on the interregnum. Very well.
That direction.
Very well. Then Mills, give us 10 minutes.
We'll do it in one go.
45 days.
Manoj, can we just make one request? Just one request can we make?
Of course, everybody has their volumes.
Deliver these to everyone.
Manoj, can we just make one request? Because every time when the matter comes up, there are more petitions added. Would my lord kindly consider from the petitioner's side, some time may be fixed that within 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever, they should conclude.
Because I have only taken, I have taken only.
Because what happens, Lord?
Wait for the new year.
They are going to be.
Instructions issued by.
Yes.
My lord,
Just
state may file the counter. In fact, in one of the matters, the learned
We are not
justice
getting out this debate now. Wait for the.
In fact, the honorable.
My friend is giving a panacea for the whole court's functioning. If only we could do it regularly, we'd solve so many problems.
In fact, the chief.
In
fact, the Chief Justice said so yesterday. He said so in court that from the new year, they're going to have time management and fixing
20 minutes
of matters. We already did it for a matter yesterday. So that's good.
Lordship, my humble request is this: kindly, my client is muscular dystrophy patient. So my request is kindly decide this matter as soon as possible.
Yes.
Lordship.
Manoj, state may be.
We have to file the counter.
Come in February.
My lord.
35.
Manoj, the state may be asked to file the counter, my lord.
There is one more CWSN matter, Lordship, that matter is also fixed at 3 o'clock.
That has to stand over till this.
Yes.
35. Yes.
Just thanks for the indication prior to this side of the vacation. At least in New Year, we can prepare to restrict ourselves. I think we can use this vacation to restrict ourselves. Grateful, Manoj.
Now you can argue in peace.
First, my lords, the only caveat I might say, my lords. My lords, burden is very heavy. I apologize in advance for taking up my lords' time.
We have started this.
That's right, my lords. So, my lords, just
How long will you take? Not take more than 20.
I won't take more than 20 minutes because according to me, it's a short.
How long will you take?
10 minutes. 10 minutes. He will cover most of the things.
Very well.
According to